اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. And even there's another great story of Abdullah Nuhudki. He was also a great alim and arif. Arif means who did a lot of riyazat, called lot of mehnat and hard work in gaining the marfa of Allah. He go to them, right? And nowadays also when people have problems, they call ulama for the solution. So he's arif, he's so and that okay, my problem is not solving the same problem. Wherever I start business, it gets wrong, no success at all. What is happening? What is happening? And he said, even Adlan, who can give me one thing, one wazifa? Did not work, what should I do? And then Adullah Khandali said, okay, whatever dua you are doing, Allah will give you the ajr. But then he went and he said, he asked, is there anything between you and parents? And he said, even they are died, they are not alive. So what should I do? And just ask dua, and then when the man left, Abdullah Khandari, the great alim, he said, even Abdullah Nuhudki cannot solve this problem. Because if someone's parents are angry or not happy with them, if they will not forgive you, their problem will not solve. So if Alhamdulillah, God forbid, if you have done anything wrong or shortcomings from our side, we should go to them, go ask, talk to them, ask forgiveness, and then maybe our doors of success will be open. And so many stories, so many stories. I just selected two. And even we have the story of our holy prophet, Muhammad. Who Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Halat Intizar is when a person is just dying. It is the deathbed. You know for sure the person is dying. And at that time, you have to revise your beliefs, Aqaid, Tawheed, Adal, Nabuwat, Imamat, because all of us want to be die like a Muslim, right? So at that time, even Prophet came and said, recite Kalima, and that person was not able to recite La ilaha illallah. Why? Even the Prophet was asking. But he said, Prophet said, is his mother angry with him? He said, yes. He said, bring the mother. If she is happy, then he was able to recite Kalima, and then he died. So, the happiness of parents is so much important. Even we cannot die as Muslim if our God forbid parents are not happy with us. So be very careful. Don't annoy them. We have to do best with them. Babil Walidaina Ihsana means do best, talk to them, spend time with them, serve them, whatever you can do. You cannot return what they have done for you. Even not a single. Imam said you cannot even return the haq of even one night what your mom carried you. Even after their death, we have to be careful, So he said, many people, they are very good in their life. They are so religious. They are serving. Parents are happy, but I mentioned after their death, they forget. They are not doing any sari sawab. They are not remembering them. Then that parents do badua. It's a very unfortunate. It's the person who finds his parents in old age and still cannot attain paradise by serving them, and the curse of Allah is upon them. And when the parents say that, and even they are dead, you are not alone. Allah said there are some mustahibat you can go on these where du'as are accepted. If you have some problem and you see your du'as are not accepted, there are so many places there your dua can be accepted, like Kaaba, Khane Kaaba, Masjid al-Nabawi, Haram al-Masumeen. And but there is special places and difference of time, Shab Qadr, your dua will be more accepted. Shab Jummah is more chance to get accepted. Even so, when one of the places where your dua is accepted very quickly is the grave of your parents. Don't think that I lost my parents. Even if you have their grave in the graveyard, go visit. One of the places in a hadith that your dua is accepted very quickly is the grave of the parents. And there's a riwayat if the dua is not being accepted, pray at the grave of Imam Ali in Najaf, or go to the cemetery and pray at the grave of the parents. even going and putting your hand and saying, reciting 7 times Surah Qadr, they will do dua from their grave. So blessed is the existence of the parents. And when we have our parents, we don't realize, we say, oh, they will be there, oh, I cannot spend my time, I'm so busy. But when you lose the parents, then you know. And as I see that, I mentioned that, there's a neighborhood in the grave also. Many people in the neighborhood, they say, oh, their relatives send so much great gifts are coming in the graves. Angels are bringing, sometimes bring the gift of Surah Fatiha, sometimes bringing the gift of Surah Yasin, Surah Mulk, Namaz al-Shab, Tilawat al-Quran, so many gifts. And see, my child, he just forgot. He's not sending a single gift. So many stories, even there. I remember one story from Karbala. His son, a parent said, he was so satisfied. Every, the dead persons are they are running. They say, I want everything, I want like a beggars. And one man was satisfied. And other people asked, why you are so satisfied? He said, even my child is a cobbler in Karbala. But he sent me on daily basis, send me some sawab on daily basis. He said, what's sawab? And then the man, he saw that in the dream. Then the man go quickly and ask the cobbler, what do you send your parent every day? What do you send? He's a very old man, he's a cobbler, cobbler, moji, jute fix karta. And then he said, he pondered what I did on daily basis. He said, oh, no, I remember. I put a water bowl for the birds in the name of my father that, okay, Allah, I am feeding that birds, like these thirsty birds, and give the sawab to him. This is the thing. Even helping the creatures of Allah give you sawab. And then you can transfer the sawab to your parents. Any deed or making. So, even if you are very good, you are religious, mashallah, mu'mina, deendar in your life, but after your parents die, you don't do anything, then you can be in the list of disobedient child because you are not sending anything. And then the parents say, oh Allah, they even do badua. Oh Lord, we are angry with our daughter or son. Allah commands to write the child name in the list of Aqil Walidain. Because when the parents died, he was obedient, but later because of his behavior, he became disobedient. So we have to be very careful about this concept. That we have to be good not only in their life, but after their life also. So many stories.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد